Control your appliances via your smartphone wherever you are. How to connect your phone with Smart Life app. Step 1. Add your devices into Smart Life. Step 2. Long press the on-off button until the lights flash. Step 3. Connecting. Step 4. Rename your device. Now you can control your device with your phone. How to use voice control with your appliances. Let's open the page of Amazon Echo, searching Smart Life in Skills. Enable it with your Smart Life account number and password. Let's discover the devices now. OK, done. Let's try to command Alexa now.
Alexa, turn on the lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the lamp.
Okay.
Technology makes life simpler and better. For more details of operating steps, please see our Quick Start Guide paper inside every product packaging.